So welcome back to the shop. Things look a little bit different. That's because I've been cleaning and rearranging. It's about time to get that rear axle out so we can start putting the new springs in. We can take care of some of that rust, get the fuel tank back in. First step, get the old axle out. So I turned it around, I pointed it at the garage door so we can turn the fans on and blow all the dust out when we're trying to get rid of that rust. It's time to tackle those really hard to get out bolts that hold the springs in for the rear axle. If you haven't seen that before, check out, I'll put a link in the corner. Check out the other video that I did on this topic. I'm not going to go into it in depth on this video because I've done this many times and I have another video on it. Again, up here in the corner somewhere. I did the same process on my brother's Jeep. Sometimes it goes real quick and easy, but most of the time, it's a struggle. I'm going to put you guys on a tripod and on the GoPro, and I'm just going to get at this. I won't show a whole lot of the details, but we'll see the struggle. And maybe we'll check in here and there and see how it's going.
It's not just not factory. Someone's been here before.
That means those bolts might be easy to get out. Oh, I stand corrected. It seems in the newer models, in 2000 and 2001, that notch is factory. I've been working with these things for 20 years. You learn something new every time. We're 1/6 of the way there. That was good. Let's try to do the other side. Woohoo! That means the hard way. I've had worse. Yeah, baby. Alright. 2/6. That's 1/3 of the way there. Actually, we only really have to take 4 bolts out if we can leave the shackles attached to the springs. We'll find out. so much of a fight. Made a list for this weekend, and I have a little bit of a long weekend and I want to get as much done as I can, so I'm trying to be efficient. But this is where I'm going to end off this video. We got the axle out. We have the gas tank out. We have everything under here pretty much opened up, ready to go. I'm ready to start attacking this with some wire brushes and everything else to try to get this clean. We have the interior all cleaned and rust treated to a degree. Mara has been working on that. That looks pretty good in there. So we are getting close to being able to treat that. And then we are going to start patching some holes and putting some treatment on here. And then start putting that lift in there. But that's it for today. That's all we can get done. I'm going to put this video together and try to get it out to you guys this weekend. And meanwhile, we're going to come back at it tomorrow with even more time to get at this. So hopefully we can get a lot done and have another video for you every week. But that's it for now. Thanks you guys for stopping out. We'll see you on the next one.